So long guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and today we'll be solving another program from Coding Bat website. So today's program is front 3. So let's see what it says. It says given a string, we will say that the front is the first 3 characters of the string. That is, a string is given and front is the first 3 characters in the string. If the string length is less than 3, the front is whatever is there. That is, if the length of the string is less than 3, then the front of the character will be whatever it is there. Else, return a new string which is 3 copies of the front. That is, the first 3 characters would be repeated 3 times. So according to the examples you can see here in Java, they have taken Jav and they have printed it 3 times. Jav, Jav, Jav. In chocolate also they have done 3 times. Cho, cho, cho. Maybe whatever it is they are saying. But okay, let's try to do it. So let's take a string front as they have said, and if string length is less than 3, then front will be equals to 3. Else front will be the first 3 characters of the string, and at the end we will return front 3 times. So let's check it. Yes, as you can see, according to the first 3 examples, it is matching everything, and the others also it is matching, where there is 2 characters in the string, the 2 characters is repeated 3 times, and where there is 1 character it is repeated 3 times. It is not giving any error for that, because we have checked it that the front will be same as the string if the number of characters will be less than 3, and where it is empty it is returning empty, because empty is also less than 3. Empty means 0. So that's it for this video. If you have any problem in understanding any part of the video, then you can feel free to ask in the comment, and like, share and subscribe this channel. And till then, see you, goodbye, take care.